Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to get through Roxanne's gym the easiest way without having to battle anybody. Okay. First, I'm gonna fly to Restoboro City. Then I go to her gym. Here it is. I walk in. The easiest way to do this is go like this. Go around him. Sorry about the light. Go like this. Walk behind him. Go up. I've already beaten him, so go up like that. Then you're there. Thanks for watching.